Imagine a whirlwind of market charts, flashing numbers, and the relentless urge to do something. This isn't just a scene from a movie. It's the daily reality for countless traders, caught in the high-octane trap of believing more action equals more profit. But what if I told you this relentless pursuit is actually draining your wealth, quietly eroding your potential for true financial freedom? The market seduces us with the siren song of immediate opportunities, whispering that every moment not spent trading is a moment lost forever. This deeply ingrained fallacy that activity equates to productivity is perhaps the biggest misconception holding back aspiring investors. You're constantly checking screens, constantly reacting to every twitch, constantly pushing those buy and sell buttons. But are you truly moving forward financially? Or are you merely treading water in a turbulent sea of unnecessary transactions and emotional chaos? Prepare to challenge everything you thought you knew about making money in the markets. We're about to unveil the counterintuitive secret that the most successful, most serene traders have mastered, the powerful art of strategic inactivity. Get ready, because the truth might just shock you into a new, unprecedented level of profitability. You might think a few dollars here, a few dollars there is negligible. Think again. Every single trade you execute comes with a hidden cost, commissions, bid-ask spreads, and the dreaded slippage. These aren't minor inconveniences. They are silent, relentless killers, slowly but surely devouring your hard-earned capital. Picture 1,000 tiny cuts bleeding your account dry, not in a dramatic gush, but in a persistent, insidious drip. The more frequently you trade, the more these transactional costs compound, often turning what could have been a profitable strategy into a break-even, or worse, a losing one. You're essentially paying a premium for the privilege of constant participation, a fee that only your broker truly benefits from. Isn't it time to stop handing over your potential profits to the middleman? This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart, recognizing that every saved dollar is a dollar earned, and understanding that fewer trades directly translates to more money staying in your pocket. The math is undeniable, and it's brutally honest. Have you ever felt the adrenaline rush of a new position, followed by the gnawing anxiety as it moves against you, only to feel regret for closing it too soon? This isn't just part of the game, it's the psychological toll of overtrading. Constant market exposure bombards your emotional resilience, leading to irrational decisions driven by fear, greed, hope, and panic. You become reactive, not strategic. One moment you're euphoric, the next you're plunging into despair. This emotional roller coaster drains mental energy and clouds judgment, making it impossible to stick to a plan. Instead of a calm, calculated approach, your trading becomes a frantic gamble where discipline crumbles under the weight of constant stimuli. Your brain isn't designed to process that much high-stakes information without fatigue. Stop the cycle. Imagine the clarity that comes from stepping back, the peace of mind knowing you're not at the mercy of every market fluctuation. This act will reveal how trading less can restore your psychological edge and transform your decision-making. What if the greatest advantage you could possess in the market wasn't a complex algorithm or insider information, but simply the unwavering discipline to do nothing? True mastery isn't found in constant action, but in profound patience. The market offers countless opportunities, but only a select few are truly high-probability, high-reward scenarios. The amateur chases every flicker. The professional waits, like a predator, for the perfect alignment of stars. This isn't about being passive, it's about being profoundly selective, allowing the market to reveal its hand rather than forcing yours. Think of a sniper. They don't fire indiscriminately. They wait for the precise moment, a clear shot with maximum impact. This patient approach means less exposure to noise, fewer emotional traps, and crucially, a significantly higher strike rate on your trades. Stop settling for mediocre setups. Embrace the power of waiting, because those who master patience are the ones who consistently capture the biggest, most predictable gains the market has to offer. It's time to elevate your game. When you're constantly jumping from one trade to the next, when do you truly have time for deep, meaningful analysis? The answer is, you don't. Overtrading traps you in a superficial cycle where decisions are based on fleeting indicators or gut feelings rather than robust research. But what if you traded less? Suddenly, you reclaim your most precious asset, time. Time to delve into company fundamentals, analyze economic reports, scrutinize chart patterns, and truly understand the underlying narrative driving an asset. This deeper dive isn't just academic, it cultivates unshakable conviction. You'll move beyond hoping your trade works to knowing why it should work. This profound understanding drastically reduces doubt and allows you to hold positions through normal market fluctuations, avoiding premature exits. Imagine the confidence of entering a trade knowing you've left no stone unturned, that your thesis is ironclad. This isn't just about making better trades, it's about transforming your entire approach into one of informed, powerful conviction, leading directly to higher profitability and less stress. Risk management is the bedrock of consistent profitability. Yet, how effectively can you manage risk when you're juggling a dozen open positions or constantly firing off new orders? The truth is, overtrading makes robust risk management a chaotic, almost impossible task. Each new trade introduces fresh risk, demanding constant attention and adjustments. But when you trade less, the landscape dramatically simplifies. You can meticulously size each position, precisely place stop losses, and rigorously monitor your overall portfolio exposure. This focused approach means less panic, more precision, and the ability to truly protect your capital. You're not just hoping for the best, you're actively constructing a resilient defense against market volatility. Imagine having the mental bandwidth to calculate your potential loss on every single trade before you even enter, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your predefined risk parameters. This deliberate, less is more approach to risk management isn't just smart, it's absolutely essential for long-term survival and, more importantly, for truly compounding your wealth without the stomach-churning fear of catastrophic losses. It's about control, not chaos. One of the most destructive habits of overtraders is cutting winners short while letting losers run. Why? Because the constant need for action makes them eager to lock in small profits, fearing any pullback, while the emotional attachment to a losing trade prevents decisive action. But the real wealth in markets is made by those who master the art of letting their winners compound. Imagine identifying a powerful trend or a fundamentally strong company and having the conviction to hold it, allowing those initial gains to snowball into truly life-changing returns. This isn't about blind hope. It's about having the patience and analytical prowess to identify trades with significant upside, and then having the discipline to ride the wave. Fewer trades mean you're less likely to be distracted by other opportunities and more focused on nurturing your most profitable positions. Stop selling yourself short. Embrace the strategy that professional money managers use. Identify quality, manage risk, and then have the courage to let your profits soar. Your portfolio will thank you for it. We've reached a pivotal moment. You've seen how the relentless pursuit of action leads to financial erosion, emotional burnout, and missed opportunities. Now, it's time for a profound paradigm shift. This isn't just about making fewer trades. It's about becoming a wealth architect rather than a market jester perpetually dancing to its tune. By embracing strategic inactivity, you reclaim your time, sharpen your focus, and elevate your decisions. You transition from a reactive gambler to a proactive investor, thoughtfully deploying capital only when the odds are overwhelmingly in your favor. This philosophy frees you from the tyranny of constant screen time, allowing you to live a richer life while your carefully selected positions work for you. Imagine the serenity, the enhanced clarity, and the substantial increase in your bottom line. The secret isn't more effort, it's more intelligence. Are you ready to stop trading your time for pennies and start building monumental wealth with wisdom and patience? The choice is clear. Trade less, live more, and undeniably make more money.